Hello everyone! Today I want to make a simple presentation of this password manager PwM. This is an open source password built in C WPF, and I will post the description in the description the link for the project. Okay, first of all, let's add a simple vault. We do that by clicking just on the plus sign. We type a name, test, a master password that must be 12 characters long, minimum, must contain upper and lower letter case, numbers and a special character. Okay. And if you right click on the eye, you can even see what you typed. Press create. Vault is created. Okay. Now on the vault we have several options when you right click. Export vault, change master password and delete vault. Delete vault you can find here down by the minus sign too. And here we have import vault. We come to that later. Okay, let's export vault. You can export it everywhere. Practically save the vault file somewhere in your USB or wherever you want. I will save it here. And now you can import vaults. By importing vaults you have two options: local stored vaults and share vaults. If I put as local stored, or in the current logged user from the PC can see that vault. If you put share, you can open practically the vault from the same location. The position of the vault will not change and all user can have access to that vault if it's granted, of course. Practically you can put it on a cloud or the server or something like this. Let's test it. Press shared, open. Okay, and you can see here the second vault. It has the path where it's stored. Okay, let's enter the first one or second, which doesn't matter. Double click or enter. Here you type the master password that you typed before. Here you have the same option to see the password, and let's enter on it. Alright, now here we are the application setting. Here we can add accounts and store accounts for example application or specific application just by clicking the plus sign. We give an application name, YouTube for example, YouTube, why not, and the account I log, in, and the password. Now on the password here field we have two options: show password and generate password. Let's generate the password by clicking on this, and by right click on the eye we see the generated password. They are pretty strong password, 24 character long. Every time we click it generate another password, as you can see. Alright, let's press add, and our application is added. On the application we have several options when we right click it. Copy password to clipboard for 50 seconds available. After 50 seconds the password will be deleted from the clipboard. Let's press copy, okay, and test it. We paste it here and we come back to it after 50 seconds. You can see we press save in more. Now another option is show password. It will display the password directly on the form. And if you again press it, it will hide it again. The another option is update account password. Here we can change the current password to another one. Here we have the same options: generate a password and view by right click the generated password. Press update, and yes, now the password is updated. If you right click it, show, you see it's not a password. If we come back here and test the clipboard, I cannot paste it anymore because the 50 seconds have expired. Okay, the another option is delete account. The same option you have it here down by the minus sign. Okay, we have implemented another function Let's exit the vault. Now it's exited. Have implemented some secure options and features. For example, if you lock the PC and you are logged in the vault, it will automatically log out you from the vault. If the PC gets in the hibernate mode, it will automatically log out from the vault. And we have here settings, vault session expire period. What this does, it will expire, it will log out you from the vault after several minutes that you type here. For example, let's put 1 minute, and after 1 minute it will show you a message. They will be expired soon from the vault if you don't do any action on it, like show password, change password, or any other. Let's click apply, enter back on the vault. Mistype. Alright. Now you get the message, vault will close in less than a minute if no action is made. If I make an action, for example, show password, it will disappear. It will appear because the message is set for less than a minute to show up, to announce you. We'll let this so and see more. Into the job, and you can do everything, go out, and will close automatically you from the vault. Okay, so kind of this is it. Yes, we let it this so, and I will show you the command line version of this password manager. So in the folder where the password manager is installed copied, you will have this file, password manager include. This is a command line version for this password that does the same function without the shared vaults. So we'll do this, right? For example, you go in command prompt and press PwM. And here are the command list for the password manager that we use. Alright, so for example, we want to list the vaults. We make a list V. This is the current vault that is stored. Let's want to see the application. It's list A for application. Enter vault name, password, now here we'll ask you to type the application name or leave it blank if you want to see all application. So for example, if I want to type YouTube, it will give me all the accounts for YouTube. If I type Facebook or other, doesn't matter, it will give me the best, or I press enter and it will give me all. And here you can see the information, application name, account name, and password. Well, this version of command line will work finally in Linux too, under Wine or Mono. Okay, so I think kind of this is it, and you can see we are logged out from the application menu, anyone in the vault section as before. Thank you all, I hope you liked the video. Sorry for my bad English, and keep it up. Have a nice day.